Hello children, welcome to mathematics online classes. In today's video from mathematics subject, quadratic equations topic we are going to continue. So in our previous videos children, we have completed all these concepts. Up to here all these concepts we have finished. Today we are going to discuss about this concept. What is the concept here children? Solving a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. About this concept we are going to learn today. So if you have missed any concept children, please go to the previous videos, please watch them. After that you can watch this video. So then only you can understand the concept in a clear manner. Okay children, let's start today's concept. And the concept is solving a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So this method is called Hindu method or Sridharacharya method. A well-known mathematician, Sridharacharya, he proposed this method. So that's why it is called as Sridharacharya method, or it is discovered by Hindus. It is formulated by Hindus. So it is called Hindu method. So in our earlier method, using completing square method, we have learned that suppose if we have x square plus 2xy, then we have to add plus y square minus y square on both sides. Like that, this concept we have learned. Suppose if we have the equation, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is to be written in the form of x square plus 2xy, or first what we have to do, first we have to eliminate this a, x square before we have the coefficient a, first we have to reduce it to only x square. So let's divide by a. What happens? Ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a equal to 0. So a gets cancelled. So this is simplified as x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. So after that, in the middle, whatever term we have, it should be in the form of 2xy. So x square, as 2 is not present here, what we can do? We can multiply with 2, we can divide with 2 into x we have to write first. After that, b by a we have to write first. Next term is c by a. So x square, 2 we have to write first, x we have to write first. This numerator part we have b, 2 into a, 2a. So this b by ax we are writing in the form of 2xy as 2 into x into b by 2a plus this c by a part we are having. Now whatever we have in the place of y, we have b by 2a here. But whenever we have x square plus 2xy, so for making it a perfect square, we have to add y square, we have to remove y square. But here in the place of y, we have b by 2a. So what we have to do? We have to add and we have to subtract b by 2a. So means, x square plus this is written as 2 into x into b by 2a plus c by a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square. Y square, both we have added and subtracted. Next, x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a, if this term is written here, plus b by 2a whole square plus what are remaining, c by a is remaining, and minus b by 2a whole square. These two are remaining. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. Means x plus b by 2a whole square. So this part is simplified as x plus b by 2a whole square plus remaining part, if we take the LCM or if we simplify these two after taking the LCM, so this part will be equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a. So after adding and subtracting this b by 2a whole square and after simplifying, this we will get. So x plus b by 2a whole square minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square we are getting. If we take this to RHS, then it will become plus b square minus 4ac by 4a square. This we will get. Or x plus b by 2a equal to root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. This we can take. Or x plus b by 2a equal to root of b square minus 4ac by this 4a square, root of 4a square. This we will get. Or x plus b by 2a equal to, so this downside part square, 4 means we can write it as 2 square. Square root gets cancelled, 2 will remain. In a square, square root gets cancelled, a will remain. So root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. b square minus 4ac by 2a is remaining. So after simplification, x plus b by 2a equal to what we are getting? Root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This we are getting. If we send this b plus 2a also that side, x equal to minus b by 2a plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Like this we can write. Or x equal to 2a we can take common, minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac. Like this we can write. So like this we will get the x value. So but here we have to consider both plus or minus, because suppose if we have 4, we can write it as plus or minus 2 whole square. So that's why. So here both plus or minus conditions we have to consider. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Like this we are getting the x value. So these are the two values. We are getting two values. If we take plus, we will get one value. If we take minus, we will get two values. These two are the roots of quadratic equation, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. For finding roots for this quadratic equation, we have a formula, quadratic formula, which is known as Sridharacharya method or Hindu method. That is, the two roots are, one is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let us consider it as alpha. Another one is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's consider it as beta. So every quadratic equation, as per Sridharacharya method, it will be having two roots, one root equal to alpha, one root equal to beta. So most of the quadratic equations, so they can have at most two and only two real roots. So these two roots values are real numbers. So they will be having two roots. So let's repeat the method once again, children. We are having ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the equation. The middle term to be in the form of 2xy. So what we are doing? First, before that, first in ax square, a is there. we have to divide by a. Ax square by a plus b by a plus c by a equal to 0. A gets cancelled. X square b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. This we are getting. So this part we are getting. So now x square, but here this middle term to be in the form of 2xy. So as we don't have 2 here, we can write 2 by 2 into b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. So x square, 2 we will keep upside. After that x we will write. After that b by denominator part 2 into a, 2a we will write. Plus c by a equal to 0. Now it is in the form of 2xy, where y equal to b by 2a, that y square to be added and subtracted. Then only we can write it as a perfect square. So b by 2a whole square to be added and subtracted. So what we will do, x square plus 2x b by 2a plus c by a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square. Like this we will write. This first one, second one, third one. These three are in the form of a plus b whole square. So where a is x, b is b by 2a. So these two can be written as x plus b by 2a whole square. And the remaining two terms, third term and fifth term, after simplification, we can write them as b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Like this we can write. Like this we can write. So next we have x plus b by 2a whole square equal to minus b square by b square minus 4ac by 4a square. We are having this value. So this one, what we can do, x plus b by 2a whole square equal to, let's keep minus separate. Let's keep minus separate. So this b square minus 4, sorry, this minus comes this side means it will become plus. Plus. So this b square minus 4ac by 4a square, what we can do is, it can be written as plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square whole square. One minute. This one, children. This b square minus 4ac by 4a square, what we can do means, we can keep it in under root, we can keep plus or minus, and we can keep whole square, because plus whole square means it will become plus, minus whole square also it will become plus. We have plus here, but it can be written as plus or minus whole square. The positive term can be written as plus or minus whole square, so that it always become positive. And we are keeping both square root and square. So both gets cancelled, value will be the same. So for our convenience, we can write this term as this one. Now from both sides, this square gets cancelled. So what is remaining? X plus b by 2a equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. This is remaining. If we take plus b by 2a this side, that will become minus. So x value will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ab. 2a is the common denominator. So x, if you keep plus, its value will be alpha. If you keep minus, its value will be beta. Like this, quadratic equation can have at most 2 and only 2 real roots. These two are real numbers. Whatever values we will get, they are real numbers. Okay, children. Next. So, suppose if you are not able to solve the factors or not able to solve by normal methods, then you can make use of quadratic formula and you can solve the quadratic equation, children. Let's see the example, children. Example 10. Solve the following quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula. The first equation is x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So this is the first equation. We have to solve by using the quadratic formula. So the first one, whatever equation is given, that is to be compared with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If the given equation is compared with standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, in the place of a, we are having 1 here. A means x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient is 1. B means x coefficient. Here x coefficient is minus 7. C is constant. Here constant is 12. So we are having A equal to 1, B equal to minus 7, C equal to 12. So from the given equation, by taking the help of standard equation, we have to note down the values of A, B, C. After that, what is the formula for finding the roots? X equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Means this equation or this value is based on ABC values. So that's why we have noted down ABC values first, so that we can keep it in, we can substitute them with the values and we can find the value. First, let's try to calculate this part. Under root, in under root we have B square minus 4AC. Actually, this is called discriminant part. Discriminant part, that under root part we have to calculate first. So let's calculate B square minus 4AC. Let's substitute values. We will get answer as 1. Which values we are substituting? These values. We are getting the answer as 1. But we have under root. Under root B square minus 4AC value, root of 1, which is equal to 1. Now x value, minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So minus B. So minus of minus 7, it will become plus 7. Plus or minus. This under root value already we have calculated, which is 1. 2 into A value, 1. 2 into 1. So 7 plus 1, 1 value. 7 minus 1, another value. 7 plus 1 by 2, alpha value. 7 minus 1 by 2, beta value. 7 plus 1, 8 by 2 equal to 4. 7 minus 1, 6 by 2 equal to 3. So alpha equal to 4, beta equal to 3. These two are the roots of given equation. So we were able to find them out by using quadratic formula. Next one, second equation. 3x square minus x minus 10 equal to 0. If you compare with general equation, in the place of A we have 3. In the place of B we have minus 1. In the place of C we have minus 10. So let's calculate discriminant. Discriminant part first. Discriminant part first. B square minus 4AC. Let's substitute value. B value minus 1 whole square. C value, 4 into A value 3. C value minus 10. Minus 1 square is 1. Minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 10, 120, which is 121. Next, root of B square minus 4AC. Root of 121, which is 11. Now, x values. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 1 plus or minus 11 by 2. 1 plus 11 by 2, one part. 1 minus 11 by 2, another part. 1 plus 11 by 2, 6. 1 minus 11 by 2, minus 5. So these two, alpha value 6, beta value -5. So we were able to find the roots of the equation by using quadratic formula. Some more examples are there, children. Some more examples are there. Okay. Just I will give the hint, children. You have to go through the solutions. So, example 11. For a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, prove that x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have to prove it. Now, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is there. Let's multiply with 4a, children. Then 4a into a, 4a square, x square, 4a into bx, 4a bx, 4a into c, 4ac, 4a into 0, 0. Now this 4a square x square can be written as 2ax whole square. This can be written as 2 into 2ax into b. 2 into 2ax into b means we have written in the form of x square plus 2xy, where in the place of y we have b. So y square to be added, y square to be subtracted. So b square to be added, b square to be subtracted. Remaining term 4ac we will write. So these first three terms in the form of a plus b whole square. So we can write 2ax plus b whole square, and the remaining part we are having minus b square plus 4ac, or minus b square plus 4ac. This is the remaining part. So if you take this to right hand side, it will become plus b square minus 4ac. So we have square root here. Already I have told, if we have b square minus 4ac, what we can do means, we can keep the root, we can keep plus or minus, and we can take whole square. Its value does not changes. So after writing like this side square, both gets cancelled. So what we will be having, 2ax plus b equal to plus or minus b square minus 4, root of b square minus 4ac. This we will be having. Next 2ax equal to plus b will come towards the right hand side, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac will be there, or 2a will come downside. This equation we will get. So just by multiplying with 4a, we can prove this formula. We can prove this formula, children. Next, children, example 12. Solve the following equations by using quadratic formula. Just you have to note down the ABC values, then discriminant value, then root value. You have to substitute the values. You will get the roots, children. Like we have done in earlier questions. Note down the answer, children. Later you can do as a homework. After that you can cross-check the video. Second example also in the same manner, children. Same method. Just by using formula you have to find the roots. Next, example 13. Using the quadratic formula, solve the equation. Here we have a square b square x square minus of 4b square minus 3a power 4 into x minus 12a square b square equal to 0. So if you compare with this standard form, in the place of a, we have a square b square. In the place of b, we have this entire term. In the place of c, we have this entire term. If you calculate b square minus 4ac, this is b square. This is 4 into a into c, where you have to multiply, you have to expand, and you have to simplify. You will get the answer. You will get the answer, children. So method is same, children, only calculation part you have to do. That's all. But the method is same. So that's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day.